Hi, I'm Shih, the principal of the elementary school of the National Tsinghua University. As an affiliation of the university, we were a founding member of the Tsinghua STEM School. I have been nominated for being an early adopter of the DDMT teaching models in our design of the STEM curriculum. Teachers and students experience firsthand how design thinking, inquiry thinking, and computational thinking can be integrated with maker education to create an experience centering around competencies. Thank you.
I'm Lanny Huang, the founder and CEO of VREducate. Today, during pandemic lockdown and limited school attendance and minimal school educational field trips, we need change. Our company, VREducate, is established in 2016, and our VR educational solutions are now in university like U of Science and Technology, Hong Kong, and Hong Kong Poly U, plus many high schools in Hong Kong. We bring the headset, the educational program, and the videos, and the synchronized exclusive app, which is patent here in Asia. We bring educational program, storytelling, entertainment, and even relaxation and comfortable zones to school. VREducate Limited has received the regional award from Singapore's Asian Academy Creative Awards for consecutive 3 years, 2018, 2019, and 2020, in the Best Immersive 360 VR. In school, our programs are into the classes with storytelling and educational field and immersive lessons in art, in history, physics, chemistry, literature, performing arts, and many genres. For example, this program, which is an indirect educational program about guide dogs, we actually shoot how the dogs are trained and the relationship with the blind people, how the dog guide them. This program is very well welcomed in the local kids because they actually enjoy seeing how a dog is trained to help the blind people. Another one, which is very popular, is from the NASA. It's actually a video that you will be sitting next to the astronaut, Armstrong, to the trip of the moon. This trip is you go into the space capsule, you're sitting next to Armstrong, and you can see the Earth from the spacecraft. This is so popular that many young children wanted to be in the field of astronaut studying in the future. This is a very treasure piece of video that we share in our school with our VREducate. This is a game changer for schools, for libraries, for hospitals, for old age homes, for children's centers, and even special need of children's centers. We need the support. This is VREducate. Thank you.
My name is Sikit Kang, and I'm a clinical psychologist. Today I'll take you a journey of 30 years of game-changing work to enable technology to help my clients to function. The first decade is to enable very severely disabled to function using modems and bulletin board system to work from home, to develop electronic self-help group, and to develop learning and working from the home. The second decade is to use the technology available from the internet to develop digital leadership and e-counseling services for the growth. The third decade is to enable access for children using technology. From kids in Hong Kong kindergarten to the jungle of Malaysia, kids are empowered using the technology that's available. For the fourth decade, I'm developing low-cost server using Raspberry Pi and wireless router to develop digital library resources so that the kids can actually function from home without the internet and to make an impact of learning and to be participative in the greater world of change.